Hi everyone and welcome to this demo of the schedule module in Synx. So let's start. Click schedules and under the schedules module into three key subsections: list, daily view, and import. So first, let's walk through the list submodule inside the schedules module of Synx. Here's a quick rundown of the columns you'll see: employee, the project name, the time in and time out, the net duration, total pay, billable, OT, created by, and lastly actions, quick access to view schedule details, which is the eye icon to edit the schedule, and trash icon to delete a record. When you want to create a schedule, click the Add Schedule button in the Employee field, search and select the employee you're assigning the schedule to. In the Project field, search and select the project or site associated with this shift. In the Is Flexible Shift drop-down toggle, choose Yes if the employee's shift is not fixed, and Max Hours refers to the maximum number of regular shift hours. For example, if a user has an 8-hour shift, their max hours would be 8. If the total time between time in and time out exceeds the max hours, the excess will automatically be marked as overtime. In the shift field, select a predefined time range. This is used to calculate net working hours and overtime. In the time in, set the employee's actual start time using the date and time picker. Tick the pre-shift OT checkbox. This flags the system to treat the time before the official shift as overtime. The timeout, set the employee's actual end time here. If the employee worked past their scheduled shift, check the post-shift OT box. This tells the system that the time beyond the official shift is considered overtime. In schedule type field, select from custom types like regular day, holiday, absent, and etc. In the break time field, enter break time in hours. This is subtracted from the total shift duration. In the Mark as OT drop-down toggle, select Yes if this schedule is considered overtime only. In the Billable drop-down toggle, choose Yes if this time is chargeable to a client project. In the Verified drop-down toggle, set this to Yes once the entry is reviewed and approved. Defaults to No for new entries. In the Per Dime field, enter any additional allowance the employee receives for the schedule. In the Notes field, add any extra remarks or special instructions related to this schedule. Once done, click Submit to save the schedule. It will now appear in the list of all schedules. The two icons beside the Add Schedule button at the upper right corner of the List of All Schedules page is the Export Data and Import Data. Click the Export Data to export the entire schedule list as an Excel or CSV file. Check the notification bell to download the file. In importing schedules, click the Import Data icon to go to the Import Schedules page. Click the Select File to upload your document. Make sure your file follows the format. You can download the template using the link at the bottom. Download here. Hit Import File to upload it into the system. When importing, take note that the file type must be CSV or Excel. Max file size is 10 MB. Avoid using special characters in project names. Now let's take a look at the daily view, the second submodule under the schedules module of Synx. You'll see a clean timeline starting at 12 a.m. and ending at 12 a.m. the next day. Next to each user, you'll see an actions column with an icon. Clicking this icon will open a form for that specific employee on the current day. This makes it super fast to assign or adjust shifts without navigating away from the grid. Above the schedule grid, you'll see tools filter by user, department, or job title, a date picker to select the scheduled date, and previous to day next buttons for easy day-to-day navigation. Let's look at one of the most time-saving features in the daily view, the Add Bulk Schedule function. This tool allows you to select multiple users and assign a common schedule to all of them in one go. Once you've selected users, for example, 4 users, a toolbar appears on the top right side of the list with the text 4 users selected. Once submitted, all selected users will be assigned the exact same schedule for the chosen date, saving you from repeating the process one by one. In the daily view of Synx, there's a powerful shortcut that saves you time when managing recurring or shared schedules. The Copy Schedule feature. Next to the Add Bulk Schedule button, you'll find an icon with 2 overlapping arrows. This is the Copy Schedule button. Apply that schedule to all the other users selected. Choose the start date and end date for schedule copying. And that wraps up our walkthrough of the schedule module in Synx. With these tools, Synx make it easy to keep your team organized, your schedules accurate, and your operations running smoothly all from one place.